Hey guys, and welcome back to madaboutskin. In today's video, I am so unbelievably excited because I finally get to share this product with you, which is the madaboutskin All Day Protection Antioxidant Cream. This has been a labour of love for the past 12 months, going through various different formulations to get the level of antioxidant protection just right. We've also been working on ensuring that the packaging is perfect, that the texture, the application is everything I want it to be, and I'm so proud to finally be able to share it with you today. In this video, we're going to talk about antioxidants more generally, why they can be beneficial for the skin and what you can expect to get out of them. We're then going to talk about this product and why I'm so proud to be able to put my name on it. And then finally, how I use it in my own skincare routine. So sit back, relax, and let's talk my new antioxidant cream. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to say, if you've already pre-ordered this video, we did have a pre-launch period that's just ended. All of those orders have been shipped out and are on their way to you now. I know so many people have already received their parcels and are loving the product, which makes me so happy. But if you haven't yet, your parcel is on its way to you. This is now the full launch period where it's on general sale, and honestly, the love, kindness and support that you guys have shown towards me and this product during that pre-launch period has far exceeded all my wildest dreams and expectations, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I would love it if you could reach down and give this video a thumbs up and a like, because I want to get this message out there loud and clear about this product, and the best way of doing that is by giving it a thumbs up. The more likes the video gets, the more widely YouTube distributes on its platform. So from the bottom of my heart, just thank you so much to each and every one of you that supports the channel on a daily basis. It genuinely means the world to me. Now, I've got a lot to say about this product. I do want to keep it short, sharp and to the point, so let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So let's start. What are antioxidants? Well, antioxidants are like an umbrella term for a whole host of different ingredients in our skincare routine, but they all have the benefit of preventing free radical damage in the skin. So free radicals are things that hit our skin all day long and stress it out. Things like pollution, particulate matter, certain wavelengths of light. These hit our skin and it can cause cellular damage, premature aging, hyperpigmentation, all the things that we're looking to avoid with our skincare routine. Now, I would say that sunscreen is like the non-negotiable gold standard element of your skincare routine that should never be skipped. However, sunscreen protects against wavelengths of light, primarily UVA and UVB. Antioxidants mop up the rest of the free radicals that could be causing damage, which is why I think antioxidants have a real key part to play in your skincare routine. Whichever product or type of antioxidant you go for, they really help to get to work on those free radicals, maybe get missed by your sunscreen. I would say the sunscreen is the true non-negotiable. The antioxidant is like the perfect friend and pairing to use alongside it. So if we don't protect our skin against this free radical damage, it can actually degrade collagen, which can lead to a loss of firmness and elasticity. It can also trigger an inflammatory response, which can lead to hyperpigmentation, dark spots and discoloration. And it can lead overall to a bit of a dullness and a lackluster appearance to our complexion. We don't have time for any of that in our skincare journeys and our skincare lives. So a really good antioxidant paired with a truly broad spectrum sunscreen can be that combo that protects your skin all day long. Now, I've been using antioxidants for the past like 3 or 4 years in my skincare routine and got some really great results. But I always got a little bit overwhelmed and baffled by the sheer array of different antioxidants on the market. Each one has a different mechanism of action, so has different benefits for the skin. And can it be so confusing knowing which is the right one for your individual skin's needs, layering into your skincare routine. And I think the fact that it can be a little overwhelming is why a lot of people think that antioxidants just aren't for them. It's too scientific, too complex. So this is the one element of their skincare routine that they'll pass. I'm so glad that recently brands have started to formulate products with multiple different antioxidants held within the formulation. So gone are the days where you needed to choose between individual antioxidants to layer into your skincare routine. You can now harness the power of multiple different ones all in the same single product, which has to be a good thing. Now, my product is super comprehensive in terms of the different antioxidants you get, but whether you choose mine or any of the other amazing comprehensive formulations on the market, it doesn't matter. Just make space for an antioxidant serum in your life. Now, I want to talk a bit about what exactly is held within this product, because I think that'll help you understand why I think it's so special and why I'm beaming when I talk about it today. It's got multiple different antioxidants, all of my favorites, packed into a really hydrating and nourishing cream. So for a lot of people, this could act as your moisturizer and your antioxidant all in one. Though if you have a drier skin type, you absolutely can layer this on the skin before you then go in with a thicker moisturizer after. It's that flexibility that I wanted to build into a product, so no matter what your skin type is, you can benefit from this. You just need to be mindful of how you use it to get maximum benefits. So when it comes to the antioxidants that are held within here, let's start with pycnogenol, one of my favourite antioxidants that's very specific in that it binds to the collagen and elastin in our skin and protects it. Collagen is one of the building blocks which unfortunately we do tend to lose as we age. The less collagen we have in the skin, the more noticeable our fine lines and wrinkles will appear, and collagen degradation is one of the key reasons why we notice a bit of a sagging, a loss of firmness and elasticity. We need to cling on to the collagen that we have for as long as possible, and that's where pycnogenol comes in, providing like a shield against all that free radical damage. You've also got ubiquinone, known as Q10 in here, which is another one of my favourite antioxidants. Wonderful as a protector against free radical damage, but also the energy that our cells need to keep in tip-top shape. You've got ferulic acid, which you'll often see as, people will often call it the gold star antioxidant because it pairs so well with vitamin C. Any of the big selling vitamin C serums will often use ferulic acid alongside ascorbic acid, looking like SkinCeuticals, CE Ferulic, the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow, and that's because if you use ferulic acid alongside vitamin C, it doubles down on the benefits of that vitamin C itself. Now, that's not to say that it isn't a standout performer in its own right, which is why I wanted to use it in this formulation. You've got resveratrol, which is derived from berries and has some wonderful anti-aging benefits, but is also proven to promote overall skin and cell health too. You've got vitamin E, which is a moisturizer that's also going to deeply nourish the skin alongside being a wonderful antioxidant, and this is also packed full of plant-based antioxidants too, so you're really harnessing all of these wonderful benefits for a truly comprehensive formulation. Now, I can't do justice to each and every one of these antioxidants in this video, so I have left the names of each and every one in the description box below, alongside a bit of an explanation as to what it does. So if you want to know a little bit more about each and every one that's in here and how it'll work for your skin, like I say, it's all linked there for your convenience. So whether you choose mine or any other antioxidant serum on the market, I would definitely recommend you use it just before your sunscreen. That's because, like I said earlier, these are like the perfect pairing for delivering maximum protection all day long. I wanted to create a cream-based antioxidant because I think that allows it to layer as well as possible alongside a beautiful, hydrating, broad-spectrum sunscreen. Whether you reach for my sunscreen or any of the other amazing ones that are out there, the cream, I think, lends itself to that perfect application. How I choose to go in with it is just one pump is all you need. One pump will deliver you just the right amount of product, which is roughly that amount to do the whole face. I tweaked the formulation so many times to make sure that we got that beautiful application that glides onto the skin, meaning you don't need to overuse the product. One pump will protect the entire face, and this actually has a really long mechanism of action, so whether you choose to use it just on your morning skincare routine or use it morning and evening if you're feeling a bit bougie and extra, both will work just as well. But if you see, that's glide, there's no tackiness to the skin, it's beautifully hydrating, and I think the key thing here is it's in an airtight pump. So antioxidants are best when they're fresh. So that airtight seal means that these aren't going to start oxidizing before you've even got them onto their skin and able to deliver all that wonderful benefit. The pump also means you get that measured amount, so less chance of waste, which I'm a huge advocate of. Anything we can do to minimize waste has to be a good thing. Like I say, this for a lot of people can act as your moisturizer and your antioxidant cream all in one. This product is fragrance free like the rest of the skincare line because I didn't want to pack it full of artificial fragrance. It's got actually a very natural scent, which I just think allows all of those antioxidants their chance to shine in their true natural state. Also minimizes the risk of any irritation if you're particularly sensitive to fragrance, which just opens it up to work for as many people as possible. I believe this cream will work for all skin types. If, like me, you're super oily, this could act as your moisturizer too. If you've got a drier skin type, you're going to want to pair it with other hydrators and moisturizers to make sure you're giving the skin all it needs. When it comes to the price point, you get 30 ml of product for £14.99. I've left a link in the description box below where you can purchase it so you can go directly there for your convenience. But I do have a couple of deals for you. I always like to help you save some of your hard-earned coin where I can. I know a lot of people buy multiple units of skincare to cut down on the overall cost of shipping, which I totally hear. So if you buy 3 units of the madaboutskin antioxidant cream, you'll get one entirely free. In order to access this, you just need to put 4 units in your basket. Then when you get to the checkout, you'll find that one of them has been zeroed off, and that's the one that you'll receive for free. Just my little way of paying it back to you guys for all the love, kindness, and support you show me. I'm also passionate about making sure everyone uses their antioxidant cream alongside their sunscreen. And so every time you buy one of the madaboutskin antioxidant cream, if you put one of the madaboutskin sunscreens in your basket at the same time at checkout, you'll automatically receive 20% off the sunscreen. That's just a way, again, of saving you some of your hard-earned coin. No need to have any codes or any of that faff. It's all calculated for you at checkout, and more information is in the description box below. I just want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you that supported me on this journey. When I started out creating my own skincare line, I think I had like 5,000 subscribers, and it really was just a labour of love that I thought would be like a pet project. We'll see where it goes. Honestly, it has blown my mind and far exceeded all of my expectations, and it's only thanks to the love, kindness and support that you guys show me day in, day out that I'm here, and I'm very, very aware of that. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. If you have any other questions or things that you want to ask me that I haven't covered in this video, sound off in the comments section below, and I will get back to as many as possible as soon as this video goes live. Just once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.